About time. We have 107.7, 91.1, 98.5, 106.7, and 92.3. There we go.
Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public. The Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, by the public, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Yes. Let's go. 2023 periodic test. All 5 stations went off for that. 92.3 was first. Then I'm pretty sure either 98.5 or 107.7 was first. Then 91.1 followed. And then 106.7 was last. That is really weird seeing periodic tests, and apologize for the radios being dusty. I need to clean them, but let's go. National Periodic Test. My first ever periodic test. Because I didn't get the one in 2021 for some reason. Let's go.